If you've ever watched a rock bounce off the highway and smack right into your hood, you know that sinking feeling. One tiny chip turns into several. Then scratches. Then fading. Before you know it, your paint looks years older than the car actually is. And here's the problem: some paint protection films look great on day one, but start peeling, yellowing, or trapping dirt after a few months. That's money wasted and protection you can't trust. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best paint protection films you can buy right now, helping you avoid costly mistakes and choose the right protection before road debris starts costing you real money. And real quick, if you're into honest, no BS automotive reviews that focus on products that actually work in the real world, hit that subscribe button. I also put the latest deals on all these products down in the description. And if you're trying to protect a specific vehicle, whether it's a daily driver, truck, SUV, or weekend toy, leave a comment below and I'll help point you in the right direction. Starting off at number 5, we've got the 3M Clear Paint Protection Film. Now when you hear 3M, you're talking about a company that's been around the automotive protection game for a long time. Right out of the package, the film feels durable and flexible without being overly stiff. The clarity is excellent, which means you're protecting the paint without dramatically changing how the vehicle looks. It conforms reasonably well around curves and edges, making it suitable for common impact areas like door edges, mirrors, bumpers, and hood sections. In real-world use, this film does exactly what most drivers need. Here's where this really stands out: it delivers dependable protection without requiring professional-level installation skills. Stone chips, light scratches, and road debris simply don't have the same impact when this film is in place. Compared to generic films that often feel thin and flimsy, the 3M product inspires more confidence during installation and long-term use. The only drawback is that beginners may need a little patience when applying larger sections to avoid trapped air bubbles. Now the next option solves a problem many people overlook until it's too late: door edge damage. Coming in at number 4 is the 4-door edge Upromax paint protection film. This product focuses specifically on one of the most commonly damaged areas of any vehicle. Door edges constantly come into contact with walls, poles, garage surfaces, and other cars. The film itself is designed to be discreet while providing a durable barrier against those everyday impacts that slowly destroy paint over time. In real-world situations, this is one of those products that pays for itself surprisingly quickly. This is what most people don't realize: door edge chips happen far more often than major body damage. Once paint gets chipped, corrosion and deterioration become much bigger concerns. The Upromax film provides simple, effective protection without drawing attention to itself. Installation is straightforward, and once applied, most people won't even notice it's there. The downside is that it's more specialized than full-body protection solutions, so its use case is naturally limited. But now we're moving into products that offer broader protection and more versatility. At number 3, we have the XPEL Clear Paint Protection Film Roll. If you've spent any time around detailers, enthusiasts, or professional installers, you've probably heard the XPEL name come up repeatedly. The film has excellent clarity, impressive flexibility, and a premium feel that immediately separates it from many budget alternatives. The roll format also gives users the freedom to customize coverage areas rather than relying on pre-cut dimensions. Here's where this really stands out in real-world use: the film balances protection and appearance exceptionally well. Once installed properly, it's remarkably difficult to notice unless you're actively looking for it. That's a huge advantage because nobody wants protection that ruins the look of their vehicle. The durability is excellent, especially in high-impact areas like front bumpers, rocker panels, and leading hood edges. Compared to bargain films, XPEL tends to maintain its appearance longer while resisting common wear issues. The only drawback is that premium performance often comes with a slightly higher price tag. Now this next option approaches protection from a slightly different angle and offers value that many D users will appreciate. At number 2, we've got the TapeBear pre-taped masking film. While not a traditional long-term paint protection film in the same category as some others on this list, it's an incredibly useful solution for temporary protection during detailing, painting, repairs, and garage projects. The integrated tape design makes application fast, and the film itself covers large areas efficiently without creating unnecessary complexity. In real-world use, this product is especially useful for D enthusiasts, hobbyists, and anyone doing paint correction or repair work. This is what most people don't realize: temporary protection can prevent expensive mistakes during maintenance and restoration projects. The pre-taped design saves time and reduces frustration compared to separate masking materials. It's practical, convenient, and surprisingly versatile. The only drawback is that it's intended for temporary protection rather than permanent road impact defense. And now we've reached number 1. Taking the top spot is the Malifinate Tape and Drape. This product earns the number 1 position because of its versatility, ease of use, and overall value for automotive enthusiasts who regularly perform maintenance, detailing, paint correction, and restoration work. The integrated tape system simplifies application, while the film material provides broad coverage that helps protect vehicle surfaces during a wide variety of garage projects. In real-world situations, this is the product I find myself recommending most often for people who work on their own vehicles. Here's where this really stands out: convenience. It dramatically reduces preparation time while still providing effective surface protection. Whether you're painting trim pieces, polishing panels, performing repairs, or detailing your vehicle, having reliable masking protection saves time and prevents costly accidents. Compared to piecing together separate rolls of tape and plastic sheeting, the process is significantly faster and cleaner. The only drawback is that, like other masking films, it's designed for project protection rather than long-term paint preservation on the road. At the end of the day, choosing the right paint protection product depends entirely on how you plan to use it. If you're looking for trusted long-term paint defense, the 3M Clear Paint Protection Film is a great starting point. The Upromax is ideal for protecting vulnerable door edges. XPEL delivers premium-level protection and appearance for enthusiasts who want top-tier results. TapeBear offers excellent temporary protection for DIY projects. And if you want the most versatile masking and surface protection solution for garage work, the Malifinate Tape and Drape earns the number 1 spot. The biggest mistake most people make is waiting until the damage happens before thinking about protection. By then, you're spending money on repairs instead of prevention. The right protection product can preserve your paint, maintain your vehicle's appearance, and help protect resale value for years to come. If you found this review helpful, make sure you subscribe for more real-world automotive reviews and buyer guides. Check the description for the latest deals on all 5 products, and if you're not sure which one fits your vehicle or project, drop a comment below. You now know more than most buyers before they spend their money. Go make the right choice.